This is the point in boat ownership that you don't always think about. Sometimes you don't want to think about it. But for us, we're at a point where it is time to sell our boat, to sell our beloved Northern Attitude. We've made the most amazing memories, the best memories of our life owning this boat. But we want to continue making those memories, and in order for us to do that, we think it is time for us to take on a new boat, which means we must sell Northern Attitude here. Northern Attitude is a 1986 36-foot marine trader Europa. We absolutely fell in love with the Europa style from the moment we got on her. Our boat buying story was a pretty beautiful one in our opinion, and you can go check out this video here if you want to hear more about that. We took on America's Great Loop on this boat. We met some of our best friends on this boat, and we traveled to new places. So it's time for somebody else to take on those adventures in Northern Attitude. This could be a perfect Great Loop boat for somebody looking to do the loop on maybe a little bit more of a budget. It could be the perfect rivers boat, intercoastal waterways boat, Chesapeake Bay boat. There's a lot of places that this boat could handle and do well, and we've been to a lot of them. So you can check out all of our videos on this boat. There's no secrets on this boat, but I thought for today's video I could just take you through one last tour of Northern Attitude. We have done a boat tour before. I'll link that one here as well if you want to take a look at what this boat looked like when we were fully moved in. We'd been living on it full time for at least 6 months during this tour. So now we have a lot of things moved out. We have a lot of things boxed up, but I just want to give you a quick little run through of what this boat has to offer and why you should consider it for your next adventure. So as we make our way into the salon, you'll have to excuse a lot of these totes and storage as we begin to pack up our life on this boat. But you'll see under all of these blue cushions, those are completely storage. So we kept a plethora of things under there. But one of the things that we love about this salon are all of the windows. It really made it feel like home. We installed this TV right here. We have those 4 drawers right below it. So there was really no shortage of storage at all. The floors here are in pretty good shape, and underneath there is the engine room, which I will show a little bit later. As we make our way forward toward the helm station here, you'll see we have a radar, depth finder, autopilot, all of those things, all the gauges. It is a cable and chain steering system, which we loved. This ice co we used as a freezer, and that is included in the sail. We have the door right here by the helm station, which makes for easier docking. The galley right here was a dream. It was a great size for the loop. We installed a new, deeper sink, lots of storage above for plates and cups, our fruit hanging basket, a top-loading fridge. We installed that magnetic knife strip, and you'll also see here the EcoFlow, which we are also including in the sale. That is both an AC and a heater. Lots of storage up here at the windshield where we kept way too many things. But now we will make our way down and forward to the berthing area. On the port side, we have our guest cabin, which has the rest of our things. That is all of our life right there on that bed. But we had our parents stay on this bed. It's about the size of a full. All of that is storage underneath. We had so many things under there that we were able to store easily. Here is the head, and this was one of the things that I loved about the boat because as we turn around, you'll see in a second, it has a separate shower. I was adamant that I did not want a wet head, and that proved to be a great choice because I didn't want the entire head to get wet whenever I needed to take a shower. So, decent head, nothing crazy, but it is an electric flush toilet. And as we head forward to the V-berth, this is actually where we chose to sleep because we put the insert in the middle and it ended up being a little bit bigger than the size of a king bed when that insert is in. We had a California king sheet set on there, and so with our dog sleeping by our side, it was the perfect size. We have a locker right there. Of course, we had to hang up our America's Great Loop route right there, and that is about it for the inside. As we go up, I will show you the engine room next. Our engine room was the thing that sold Evan on this boat. We have a 135 horsepower Ford Lehman. The engine was rebuilt in 2016 and it has roughly 1,700 hours on it. We did routine oil changes, plenty of room for tools, other storage, and then we have our entire electrical upgrade here, which we have another video on that you can check out. Another aspect that we absolutely love on the Europa boat is not only the walk around, but how it overhangs on top. So if it is raining, you don't get completely soaked when docking. And we can also leave the windows open if it's raining. We have an electric windlass right there. This has been painted with new slip-resistant paint. We currently have it tied down and the bimini top down with the antennas also down. But you'll come down on the port side and see our dinghy davit right here. This is the crane lifting system to lift the dinghy to the flybridge. The magma grill is included in the sail. And then we can head up to the flybridge. Like I said, it is a little bit stored away. We have the bimini top down, but this we liked to call the rooftop. This is where all of our friends came to hang out, and we had just a great time up here. A lot of room for seating. The canvas is in great condition, and that's also where we have the solar panels. We also did a full paint job, so not only the bottom anti-fouling paint, but we also did the top side whole paint as well, and we're really happy with how it turned out. And that is pretty much it for the walkthrough of Northern Attitude. I know I didn't cover a ton of specifications, but you can check out the listing on Boat Trader, or if there's anything I missed, feel free to leave a comment here. I try to answer as many as possible. We have had the most amazing time owning this boat. It has treated us so well, but all good things must come to an end, and it's time for Northern Attitude to enjoy new adventures with a new owner and for us to explore a new part of the country. Until the next video, we love you. Bye.